Okay, so here's what we're dealing with. This transmission cooler. Word to the wise, do not try to remove your radiator without removing this, thinking you can just slide it in and slide it out and not have to undo these. I tried that and I manipulated it too much and it started leaking right here. So I've got a new one, and so now I've got the apparently proper parts to disconnect these lines. I did not know about any of these tools. Couldn't figure out how to disconnect the lines, but now we're going to try that. See if it works. So I've got another cooler and for the transmission, and here we go. All right, well, I got the first one off. Boom. This actually broke off, and then I was able to, this piece does not work very well. I don't think it gets deep enough in there, so I just basically just put some screwdrivers in there and get it out of there. So now I gotta do this side. I might actually just break it off here just because it makes it easier to be able to pull the hose up and get better access to it. All right, so now it's time to put the radiator back together. Been a couple days, so I gotta figure it out. All right, so we got the radiator back in. We got the two hoses back connected. They're solid. Remember to put on these flaps first. Kind of directs the air. And then got these little tricky brackets right here, but not too bad. We'll put all this stuff back onto the radiator before putting it back in. So now I'm going to install the lower hose with the thermostat just to make it a little easier on myself.